Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Centenario Roadster and this is by Tomica, one of my personal favorite brand. So I bought this in Malaysia and Toys R Us, you can see here. And some one of I don't know who that person is. That person is asking me to unbox this for some time now, for nearly a month or so. So this is just for that person. I wanted to do this week as a Lamborghini because I know I had like around more than four Lamborghinis. I wanted it to be six so that I can do a whole Lamborghini week. For 164, but I do have a couple more in Lamborghinis, but I don't have a place to put it back in safely. But at least whatever I unboxed so far, it has a box to keep it back in. So that's the reason I didn't do it before. So right now, since I had at least something to do, so I am just doing it. So personally, for me, I prefer Tomica ones compared to Hot Wheels because at least it has good. Closer to the original scale compared to Hot Wheels, which is just either cartoony looking or it is just modified, as per their wish. Okay, so nothing else is in the box. Let's put it here, and so here it is. So out of the box, it looks really beautiful. The paint job doesn't have any issues. So like most of the time, Tomica doesn't have any issues on paint job. Only few times, especially if it is a very older casting, you will be having some paint bubbles there. But nothing else is like mispainted or so. Even the logo detail you can see here, it is good. It is not perfect on this one, but compared to other Tomicas, but it is good. The headlights are painted, so I really wish they could have done some acrylics here because they normally do that. So it has the grill details here, which is good, and the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. You can see the scale here, it is 1 by 65, it is not 64 exactly. So again, some people are asking even in my group, what scale is Tomica and all, because Tomica's scale varies for each and every car. So the next three cars we will be unboxing Tomica only, including this one. So you can see this one is 1 by 65. And okay, let me just complete the review first. Okay, so you can see the tail light details here. Tail light details are painted, but it is just it is embossed first and painted. It has exhaust details to it, which is really nice. The chassis detailing is also looking really nice because nowadays cars doesn't have everything showing in the chassis because everything is covered to let the air flow properly and to keep the car grounded. And the only see a lot of people don't like Tomicas, or they don't look at Tomicas because of the wheels, because they for main lanes they actually use the exact same wheels for literally every model. Apart from there are a couple of cars which doesn't have the exact wheels, they change it, but for most cases they do the same. So it has good engine detailing to it. You can see this is not openable, but it is really nice. This is plastic here and it has this acrylic that see-through plastic for to see through the inside of the engine. Okay, so it has good interior detail to it. Even this is really nice. This is closer to looks closer to that that another brand which we unboxed in a couple of days back, TSC. Let me see if I have it handy. Yeah, here it is. So that actually looks, let me be very honest with you guys. Tomica has a different aesthetic to it. Even the scale is accurate, close, pretty accurate for the car and all. This one is also like this is really nice. This is pretty nice. Maybe this is a very newer car and this is a bit older compared to the Sian. Maybe it looks more sharp, angled, and really nice. Okay, so it does have suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. The clearance looks really good. Let's weigh this casting and see how much it weighs. Okay, 33 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. Tomica never rolls really well. Let's see. Something got stuck here. Let's only the rear wheel was rotating. You can see that, right? Let me just zoom in a little bit. A little more. Let me just try to show this to you guys. Just watch. So the front is getting stuck there. You can see the wheel rotates. That is really funny to see. But anyways, I'm not going to play with Tomica, at any point in my time. Even others, at least Hot Wheels, I'll just throw it. I'll just put it in track and let it fall down and all. But I love Tomicas, and I really want to keep it in a display and admire it. And like most of those, whatever you are seeing there, the Lamborghinis are Tomicas, except for this one that is Majorette, that is Hot Wheels Premium, and the Centenario in the back, the black color one is Matchbox. What is that series? That's Matchbox. I think super fast. I guess I don't remember now. I need to see my own video. So rest everything are actually Tomica. Those are really beautiful models. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.